are obsessed with looking forever young. Aging has now become a problem to fix and not a process to embrace. And nowadays, even young people that go for expensive high-end treatments to take medications, which can even have adverse side effects on their health. A young woman and actor, Shefali Zariwala, you've been seeing the news, who was one shot to fame with the viral Kanta Laga, was celebrated simply being herself, being untouched by cosmetic procedures or anti-aging treatments, tragically who passed away from a cardiac arrest last week at her home. While the official cause of her death is cardiac arrest, the spotlight, however, remains fixed on treatments that she was undergoing after rising to fame, after her appearance in the song. So did these procedures play a role? Could they have contributed to her untimely death? Let's take a look exactly what the police has been saying on multiple scoops that we are picking up. As far as the actor now is said to be involved, Shefali was taking anti-aging medication for many years, according to sources what we are knowing. And it was on the 27th of June where she had injected anti-aging medicine while being on fasting. So that means that she hadn't had anything to eat. Now what is being said that these anti-aging medicines were advised to Shefali at least 8 years ago. So she has been taking these medicines non-stop for multiple years. And what is being said that she took this anti-aging medicine every month. So imagine 8 years for every month. Now what is now being said that the police are probing if the anti-aging drugs caused the cardiac arrest. Was it a side effect that turned fatal? Now the FSL team that has also found a lot of pills from her residence as well, that included anti-aging medicines, that included body oils and beauty oils and gastro-related pills that have also been found. Now let's take a look exactly what has now been said through sources that Shefali was reportedly consuming a mix of anti-aging treatments, of multivitamin pills, of skin whitening supplements, of high-dose glutathione capsules as well, all that were aimed at maintaining youthful, flawless appearance. She was also taking these anti-aging injectables, substances that when misused or overused can strain the internal organs and can trigger severe side effects. Additionally, the use of Pandi-DSR, which is a medication meant for acid reflux, but sometimes if misused alongside supplement regimes, can also raise a lot of red flags. Now, this is a wake-up call, especially when it comes to celebrities across Hollywood and Bollywood who have opted for various transformations from cosmetic surgeries to anti-aging treatments. While many have achieved their desired look, others unfortunately have faced complications during the process. Let's take a look at some of these closer stars who have undergone, as far as the cosmetic evolution of Bollywood celebs are also concerned, in the wake of looking, young and someone who doesn't age at all. There has been cosmetic procedures which have been taken up by several of the celebrities in Bollywood as well. Shilpa Shetty admitting that she got a nose job done. There is Sharan Chopra who has admitted that there was breast implant and Botox, these surgeries that she has admitted to have undergone. There is Koina Mitra as well. You can see the visible difference in their before and after pictures as well. Priyanka Chopra, early in her career, getting a nose job done. Rakhi Sawant, well, she's someone who is not new as far as when it comes to lip fillers and several other surgeries that are also concerned. This is something that she has admitted that what God can't give, the doctor can. So let's get in a word from Rucha, who's connected with us live right now. Rucha, this seems to be a wake-up call for the celebrities in particular, but the people also who get influenced by these celebrities.
This is because of the appearance for these celebrities matters the most, and this is not the first time that any celebrity has opted for such surgery or anti-aging treatment. In the past also, it may be Bollywood or Hollywood celebrities, they have been doing this, but only under the observation. Now Zariwala, Shefali was taking pills as well as she was injecting herself for past 8 years without any proper consultation, is what the sources are telling us. And the statements that the doctors have recorded says that she was on medications, multiple medications. She was taking anti-aging treatment, she was taking treatment for her pigmentation, skin lightening, as well as she was dealing with epilepsy since she was just 15 years old. Now, one day prior to her death, she was on day fast, and she had not consumed any food but had injected herself with the anti-aging shot. Now, the doctors are saying that if the glutathione or the vitamin C, which directly does not affect the cardiac health, but if taken on empty stomach, it can react with the other medications. It can make complication and can lead to the cardiac arrest. Now, Shefali, who has already been suffering through severe panic attacks, she was experiencing
Well, that is a
severe...
concern. Of course, this is a time when all of these treatments, all of these medications that have been taken by multiple people, if they have certain kind of a reaction that turns fatal, well, Shefali Zariwala would be a case that needs to be studied, especially to the youth, because it is now time, Rucha, thank you very much, to start embracing their natural skin. And the very pursuit of anti-aging treatment might seem appealing for now, but it often comes with hidden risk and also a dark side. Now, these procedures that can damage the skin and over time may also lead to serious health consequences as well. And the side effects of many modern treatments are severe and are often underestimated as well. So this certainly is a wake-up call for one and for all. With that, we head into a short break. The morning news are coming up on the other side. Stay tuned.